Luxury vinyl tile installs far faster than ceramic tile while still offering high durability for most household needs. Luxury vinyl tile, or LVT, typically comes in interlocking or glue-down formats that allow an experienced DIYer to lay an average room in a single weekend when subfloor prep is already sound. Measure and acclimate the planks or tiles to the room for at least 24 hours to minimize expansion gaps. For floating click systems, work from the longest uninterrupted wall and maintain consistent spacing with spacers, finishing with trim pieces cut slightly under door jambs for a flush fit. For glue-down LVT, use a trowel size to the manufacturer recommendation and apply adhesive in small areas to avoid skinning over, and roll the floor with a 60 to 80 pound roller for full adhesion. LVT is generally waterproof because its core and surface layers resist moisture, which makes it forgiving over wood subfloors and suitable for basements or bathrooms when installed over a level substrate. Ceramic tile requires cement backer board or a full mud bed, precise mortar application, grout sealing, and significantly more curing time, so plan for 2 to 3 times the labor and waiting period compared with LVT. The 3 most common issues are poor subfloor preparation, incorrect adhesive or underlayment, and improper grout or seam treatment. Each has a straightforward fix. If the subfloor is uneven or has movement, remove problem areas or level with a patching compound or install an appropriate underlayment designed for tile or LVT to prevent cracking and separation. When the wrong adhesive or underlayment is used, identify the manufacturer recommendations on the product data sheet and replace materials with ones rated for the substrate and environment to ensure warranty, compliance, and long-term adhesion. For seams and grout, leave the correct expansion gaps and use flexible caulk at perimeters for LVT, and for ceramic, use a high-quality grout plus a penetrating sealer on porous tiles to prevent staining and water migration. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and with peers who share real-world project experience. Our community discussion boards and local listings help us match people looking for fast-lasting flooring options with pros and with practical DIY guidance.